What's up, everybody? Fat Cracker here. Today we're going to do you a dessert. It's a high protein like Jello dessert. I don't really know the name of it, but we're going to put it together. I tried it out. My family tried it. They like it. So I'm going to show everybody how I make it. Stay tuned. We'll get it going. All right, everybody. This is for our dessert here. We got 2 family-sized packs of Jello strawberry gelatin mix. We got our water already boiling. We're going to add 4 cups of water, boiling water to it. And we'll get this all mixed up in there and dissolved. And then once we get that done, we'll let it cool and we'll come back and show you the next step to thicken it up and make it look good. And we'll be back with that. All right, everybody. We'll let our gelatin here cool to room temperature. We're going to add some fresh cut strawberries to it. Mix it around. Set that to the side. Now, we're going to add 32 ounces of Greek yogurt, plain Greek yogurt. Get that in there. Crush it up a little bit. Get this off the spoon with a whisk. Then we want to whisk this up. Mix that Greek yogurt in real good. We don't want any lumps. So we're going to whisk it till it's lump free. And then once we get the lumps out of it, we're going to put some plastic wrap over it. Stick it in the fridge for 4 to 8 hours. 4 to 8 hours, not 48 hours. And let it harden up, turn it into a gelatin. And we'll show you what it looks like. Stay tuned. All right, everybody, back to our strawberry gelatin. We're going to reveal it now. We just pulled it out of the fridge. It's been about 6 hours. We'll pull the plastic wrap off. Looks like it's set. We'll try to get some out. And I'll show you how I make it. So we'll take some, scoop it in the bowl here. Yeah, it's set. Get another spoonful. Put it right there. We'll set this to the side. Now what I'll do is I'll put some chopped pecans on it. And then we got some 80% dark chocolate. We're going to rub that on there. Try not to make a mess. Keep it right over it. Get that on there. And there you go. And you can add strawberries to it or anything. And you can make it anyhow you want. Any family pack. 2 family packs of Jello. And like I said, sugar-free for the health. And then 1 full thing of Greek yogurt. Plain, or if you do flavored, it'll give you a nice flavor too. And there you have it. Strawberry yogurt Jello. Remember, if you ain't trying, you ain't making it, bud. Y'all have a good one.